Hi, welcome. I'm Dr. Michelle Arnold from wellwithdrmichelle.com, and I have a chakra series course for you where we use essential oils and tuning forks. And today I would like to show you how to use an Om tuning fork with essential oils. But first, let's talk about essential oils. Now, essential oils are very aromatic, meaning that the aroma wafts in the air and you can smell the fragrance. Each, different essential oils have different chemical profiles, and each one may have hundreds upon hundreds of different constituents. And let's take peppermint for an example. If you were to put a drop or two in your palm and rub your hands together and just inhale that aroma, the smell enters through your nostrils to the olfactory bulb behind your nose. Now, the olfactory bulb will send the messages to your brain and to the limbic system. Now, the limbic system is a very emotional part of our brain. It's where we take the smell and we associate it with an emotion, even an event, and a memory, in fact. So they can be both positive or negative. And what we want to do with our sessions is to enhance the positive, enhance our strengths, enhance our powers by using different aromas and different sounds together, and along with affirmations, those positive affirmations that will help strengthen different areas of our body, because every one of us has powerful attributes and other parts of us that maybe aren't, and maybe they're a little bit weaker, but we want to focus on our strengths and just let the other things go that if we're not good at. Let's just strengthen what we already know that we're good at. And let's take, for an example, if we want to increase our awareness, our ability to see the world around us, maybe even the ability to see inside, to see the truth about ourselves and our own behavior, to self-reflect. Maybe we want to balance the brow chakra. So taking melaleuca or tea tree oil initially is a great way to just cleanse that brow chakra, just take away all the congestion of everything that was there. It's very cleansing and even kind of a little medicinal smell. So I would take a drop of the melaleuca. Make sure that I smell it first, and then just rest right on the brow chakra between the eyebrows. Just breathing nice and deep. 30 seconds, maybe a minute, or maybe when the area has been relieved of congestion is when you inhale and exhale, your shoulders drop, you sigh, or your complexion improves, it changes, you have more color in your face, or just your attitude shifts. You just feel some sort of a shift inside of you. Maybe you even feel a little shake underneath your finger. Somehow you'll just get a sense of it, or just hold it for 30 seconds to a minute. And then you can solidify that with sound, because both essential oils and sound carry frequencies, and they're vibrational, meaning that they resonate with different tissue in every cell in your body. And the sound will help tune up the areas in your body that are out of sync or that are in the wrong frequency. So it'll help your fingers, it'll help your toes, it'll help each organ. And the Om sound is a primordial sound. It is the sound of the universe from which everything was created. And that is why it is a universal tuning fork that you can begin with. It's a great starter tuning fork. And it is what a lot of people use when they meditate, when they use the sound of Om and even chant Om. So taking your tuning fork, you want to hold it on the stem, and these are the tins, and these are the weights. And some tuning forks don't have weights, but when they have weights, it makes the vibration stronger that you can feel it on the body, but the sound is such that you can't hear it so much above the body, but when it's close to the ear. So this is a small black rubber activator So I would take it and strike it a little bit diagonal and just with a loose fist, and then just hold it in front of your ear. And when it dies almost down, the sound, strike it again and hold it again. And if you have one tuning fork, you would hold it in front of one ear several times, 4 to 5 times. And you can do this lying down. You can do this sitting as I am, and do the other side. Of course, you can't hear this sound during this video. And you're just listening to the sound of Om. And you can lie down with your eyes closed. If you have 2 tuning forks, 2 Om, you have double Om, and you can hit them on your knee. And there you can listen to them at the same time. And you can chant along with the sound, Om. 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 Now, another essential oil that I like for the brow chakra is black pepper. It is sort of, they call the oil of unmasking. It really helps you self-reflect. It helps you see the truth. It helps you see the truth in your life, maybe some of the things that you don't want to face. And this is my own bottle of essential oil, but you really shouldn't touch the top, and you should just drop it into your finger. Smell it first. I'm placing it on my brow chakra. And you can say an affirmation. I see the truth. I see the truth. I see the truth. You can sing it. I see the truth. I see the truth. And solidify that with your sound of Om. And you can sing it simultaneously as you're listening to the sound of Om. I see the truth. And doing it again the same way as you did before, one ear 4 or 5 times, and then the other ear. And lastly, for the brow chakra is clary sage. Now they say don't put clary sage on before you go to bed, because you'll have trouble sleeping at night, because you'll have lots of dreams. Because clary sage really is great for vision, intuition, not only, the vision of your eyesight, but vision, in seeing intuition and in seeing your, what's happened before, or the past events, future events, and knowing and understanding. And this is really a nice blend together, the melaleuca, black pepper, and clary sage. And I want to solidify that again with my sound of Om. And this is another activator. And you can repeat the same affirmation to really solidify that. There are many different ones to use for the brow chakra. You may even come up with something that resonates with you a little better. And just breathe in the aroma, listening to the sound, and placing on the brow chakra. And just to show you that when you are laying down, I'm just going to use my knee because it's a little more relaxing, and you can see the direction and the stem of the tuning fork and the tins of the tuning fork acts like an antenna to the universe from my body and out into the universe, connecting the physical the spiritual together. So when you take the time to do this, even as much as 15 minutes a day or a couple times a week, you will see amazing results. So I hope that this has helped you see that there's just a couple easy ways to start with using the Om tuning fork and essential oils. And I'm Dr. Michelle Arnold with wellwithdrmichelle.com. Please comment below this video and like and share it to help other people learn about the benefits. Namaste.